Hello everybody, thanks for joining. We are on our way to attend an event and it's organized by Iranian American here in Washington DC, so let's check it out. Those are the people that they lost their lives, and again there's just so much happening there in terms of women freedom and human rights. So I believe the events go for 12 days from now on. So if you guys are somewhere around in DC area, come and show the love for Iranian people to highlight and stop what's happening. There's a lot of people here from a different background, and we will also talk to the organizer. I'm here with Mr. Hussein, and he's part of the organizer event. And let's hear from him what he have to say for the events. So, Mr. Hussein, what's the event message behind?
Sure. So here we're trying to we're staging a 24/7 all day and night sit-in in front of Congress. And we believe that the Iranian people proved that the Islamic regime is not their representative. So any deal with the Islamic regime is a deal with a mafia group, not a normal government.
Right.
So if the U.S. government make any deal with the Islamic regime, and if the revolution happens in Iran, the Iranian people will reconsider that deal for sure. So we ask the Congress people to stop Biden administration from negotiating with Islamic regime in Iran. And just don't take the advantage of if the Iranian people got suppressed brutally. Just don't take advantage of the situation and start negotiating with the Islamic regime again.
Right. So how long this gonna go more, the events? What's like?
So we set the date for like 12 nights.
Right.
But let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Nice. Now this is, as you guys see, this is the whole setup that they have, and they're here and to support what's happening and to kind of stop what's happening, to support the local Iranian and the Iranian people. That's the whole story behind the event. Here a lot of TV channel as well as influencer to cover the event and support and share the love with the Iranian people and the freedom of women. Again guys, this is happening right in front of the Capitol building here in Washington DC. Like I said, if you guys somewhere around, then this is the time to show the love for those people. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And if so, do consider like the video, and I will see you in the next one.